some nice scrambled eggs in the morning. Who says you can't have a good meal on the mountain? Fuel for the day. Thank you very much. Legendary kit. Bob's your uncle. Breakfast part 2. Some porridge. And the view you can't get tired of. Gets more and more beautiful. Nearly forgot to add my blueberries to the mix. Take 2. Lost the teapot. Well, just got me the stability now. Got a little nettle tea. How's your morning been, sir?
Wonderful.
Yes?
As the sun comes over that mountain, life couldn't get any better. Any better.
There Adzi is. And pat down. We're catching the sunrise. Coming across over the mountain.
This bag on the way down, to be fair. And the trousers, bruv. I was
Lads, how we doing?
Feeling good. Feeling good, man. A little sore, but feeling good.
Sun's on our
The
face.
sunshine is just something else.
Soaking up the morning.
Oh, wow.
morning tea in the valley. What more can you ask for?
What more can you ask for?
It's a little crack up there. It's calling my name.
It's calling his name.
What about lads? What are you saying?
Oh, no.
Mentally,
I'll be the ingredients for the kitchen, mate, for that.
Rise and shine.